part, and I know this is a lot of people's favorite. You never go wrong with cheese. I'm gonna pour some of that on top. It's just like a really, really easy way to make kind of like a hamburger helper, right? This is kind of what hamburger helper is, right? So easy. Get all that yummy cheese. And then we're just gonna go ahead and mix everything together. Break up your meat, break up your cheese, break up your pasta. This meal was such a lifesaver for me when I was younger. You just wanted something quick and easy to make, and you didn't really have that many ingredients in the house. This was so perfect for that. Now it looks a little dry, so we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with some broth. Pour that over top. Perfect. That's about a cup. Minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that is perfectly fine. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some minced garlic. You can add onion, you can add whatever you can. And I'm just gonna go in with this. Perfect. And just let the crock pot do all the cooking for you. So delicious, I can't wait. Alright guys, our dinner is ready. And left it in for a couple hours on high, I believe. Oops. Go ahead and grab some. What would you serve this with? I feel like a little biscuit would be good with this, right? So really yummy. Alright, time for the taste test. Actually, really excited. Ooh, it's a little hot. Okay.
It's good. Have a good flavor.
It tastes kind of like just spaghetti, like a hamburger helper spaghetti. I mean, there's really nothing to it. It was just ground beef, some noodles, some tomato sauce, and cheese. It's really good. It's perfect if you just want a quick and easy meal. You don't want to worry about making it from scratch. Really yummy. Cheese really makes like the flavor just come together. So good. I really like it. Give this a 10 out of 10.
Yay!